Hey guys, Tommy here with TFL Classics, and today I've got an interesting video for you about a cool product that's made here in the USA that you may want to look into if you own a classic car or maybe something a little bit more unusual and you just want to put the finishing touches on. Now, the company makes floor mats, and you're probably thinking, what's the big deal? It's a floor mat. Well, floor mats can really finish off the interior of a car. And this is not a sponsored video, by the way. I had to buy these floor mats from this company using my own money, if you will. So nothing here is being paid for, nothing here is being bought. I just kind of want to share my experience. Now, this is my classic Mini. It's a 1993 Mini, and it's right-hand drive. It was sold new in Japan, so it's not exactly a vehicle that you'll find floor mats for just lying around your local AutoZone. And here are the floor mats that I purchased it with. And you can see they are definitely worn out. They're falling apart. The badge is missing, and they're just overall really crummy. Now, my solution for years with this issue is just to go to, the Pep Boys or the O'Reillys or the AutoZone and buy the generic rubber floor mat, cut it to size, and it kind of sort of fits, but it just really lets down a lot of the interiors of some of these more kind of unusual and special vehicles, in my opinion. Now, there's a company I learned about called Coco Mats, and I went and checked them out, and it turns out it's actually a pretty cool concept. This company called Coco Mats is something I heard about online from actually another YouTube channel, and apparently they do really, really high quality floor mats that are custom made and custom tailored to your vehicle. So I went onto their website, and sure enough, you fill out this little form, you say, my vehicle is a 1993 Rover Mini, they ask you is it right-hand drive, you say yes, and then you pay a lot of money, like a serious amount of money. I think I paid over $200 for these floor mats, front and rear, and the pricing depends on whether you get just the front mats or the front and back or the front back and like a trunk mat, but they are very expensive. I figured, hey, I'll give them a whirl. I plan on keeping that car for a long time. I want it to be really nice on the inside, so let's see what happens, and maybe someone out there will care. So I ordered the Coco Mats, and shortly thereafter they sent me this little box. And this is interesting because when you open up the box, you basically get a sample and a size kit. So here's the little company, cocomats.com, and they sent me these templates. And they actually sent me an email saying, hey, we're going to send you this box because we want to make sure that the mats we make you fit the car. And if you open them up, you can see that these templates are the exact size of the mats they're going to make for the car. So basically, they send you a bunch of different options, and you line them up, compare them to the car, fit them in, make sure that they fit properly, and then you basically respond to them and say, hey, I like option A, or I like option B, or maybe option A and B don't fit right, so you can cut it to size, and I think you can even send it back and they'll make it to that size. But check it out. So here are some of the options. Basically then, I just matched it to the floor mats that are currently in the car. And I said, yes, let's do option A. That seems to be the right one. And then there's more templates in there. But it's a cool kind of tailored experience. You know what you're going to get. And there's also a bunch of different material, colors, and textures that are available. And they send you an example, a little sample here of what the final texture and color will look like. So you see I got the red and the black finish. It's got the little teeth on the bottom of it, but tons and tons of different options. They also give you extra paper if you need to fasten your own, and then they encourage you, I believe, to draw a little X on the paper that you send back so that they know where to put the heel pad. It's a cool experience, and it feels very special for something so mundane, but of course you pay for that experience. So I called them back. I said I want option A. I like the color and the texture of the material. Let's go ahead and do it. And a little while later, I got the package, and here it is. Let's see how they came out. All right, so here we go. Here's the package with my included mats. I'm gonna pop them open and see what they look like here. It does say be careful when opening so you don't slice through them with an X-Acto knife or something. Oh my goodness. The comment section are gonna be so mad with my unwrapping skills. Okay, so there we go. Coco Mats, the original auto mat. Now apparently these are handmade in the USA, which is pretty cool. Man, they really seal them in here well, don't they? Ha! Look at that! Holy cow, that is a thick mat. That's gotta be almost a 1/2 inch thick. All right, so here we go. Here is the driver's side floor mat, really thick heel pad. There's a quick comparison to the old one. Look at the thickness difference. Yeah, I mean, first impressions are this is a super high quality item. It's got the little feet in it too, so it doesn't slide around, and you can even request them to add little straps or little tie downs depending on how your floor is set up in your vehicle. Here are the rear mats, and then here is the passenger side mat. Yeah, I'm stoked. I mean, look at just the quality difference between the originals and the new. I think they look great. All right, let's plop them in the car and see if my templates that I tried fitting were actually the right ones. All right, we'll do the passenger side first here. And it looks like it fits perfectly. Yes. There we go. It really fits nice. That's sweet. So I'm so glad that I went through the process of actually choosing the template. We'll try the rear ones too. Aha, there we go. Sure, why not? All right, well, I'll tell you what. The Coco mats here are very expensive, especially when compared to just your standard mat you can buy at the store. But if you want a custom mat that's handmade in the USA that will really finish off your interior, check them out. Once again, not sponsored whatsoever, but really impressed with the quality so far. We'll see how they last after many miles of use. Yeah, check out Coco mats. I think it's a cool concept. So there you have it, a cool addition to pretty much any classic car. You should see the catalog of things they offer for various automobiles, both left and right-hand drive, really in depth. Now I have to replace my carpets because my carpets look terrible compared to the mats, but that'll be a job for another day. Well, let me know what you think of this kind of interesting handmade USA built product, and check out tflcar.com for the latest and greatest and new and old reviews.